Oppein has always been at the forefront of intelligent manufacturing, solving complex production and logistics challenges. Manual palletizing is labor-intensive and requires expertise and skills. Therefore, we innovated the automated palletizing system. AI-powered system generates customized palletizing strategies for mixed-size boxes, ensuring stability and efficiency. Auto-packing and sorting system ensures the appropriate palletizing sequence. Boxes are positioned in the right place to comply with palletizing specifications. Robotic palletizers adapt to mixed box sizes effortlessly. Suction cups dynamically adjust spacing based on box dimensions, ensuring precise picking and stacking. The system efficiently builds basic pallets at production terminals, bridging automation between manufacturing and delivery. Once pallets are ready, automated guided vehicles spring into action. The robots collect pallets and follow preset routes to transfer zones. Simultaneously, the warehouse management system assigns storage locations to AGV forklifts, which will store pallets with pinpoint accuracy.
For outbound orders, the manufacturing execution system directs AGVs
to retrieve goods and deliver them via elevators for seamless dispatch. Compared to manual labor, AGVs effectively reduce search time, eliminate errors, and operate 24 hours without interruption. In an era where AI is reshaping the industry, Oppein is redefining the future of manufacturing and logistics.
Through intelligent automation,